Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily channel. So, I want to ask you this simple question. So, what if your money actually could work for you day in, day out? That is day and night, and without ever leaving your own account. You've heard me right. What if your money could work for you 24/7 while you are in full control of your money? So, this is what we have here, and I want to share with you. I'm talking about a system that is fully automated, that is trading for you 24/7. Your money stays in your exchange account, your Binance, your Bybit, or whatsoever. You are not sending it out to any platform. And currently, as I'm talking, this AI-powered trading system is being used by over 11,000 traders. They have activated it and they've started using it. Now, before we delve into this, just a quick disclaimer. This video is not for financial advice. It's not intended to be used as financial advice. Neither am I a financial advisor. I am just sharing with you education and information about what I am using, and I think it might interest you also to check it out. And remember, past results does not guarantee future results. And also don't forget that cryptocurrency prices fluctuates a lot, meaning they go up and down, and you have to take note of that. Well, let's continue. So if you are someone who, like me, who is really tired of losing your money because you have always withdrawn your money and send them to a platform because the platform promises you or they guarantee you a fixed daily ROI, daily return on investment. They guarantee you every day you will make 1%, 2%, or 5% a day. They say they are trading for you. What happens? Once you withdraw the money and send it to them, they hold custody of it, they are in control of it, and anytime they want, they can simply shut down the site and disappear with your money. Myself, I have suffered those kind of losses in the past, and the recent one which happened to me like smash, okay, was really crazy, guys. And I said never again. I have learned my lessons. What I want to share with you, it is not a perfect system, it is not a get rich quick scheme. It does not promise what fixed daily ROI or monthly ROI, but it is something I think it makes a lot of sense and to help a lot of newbies and even professional traders or people who want to make money online. Because the biggest selling point and the actual truth is that you are never going to send your money to any platform. Your money doesn't leave your Binance or your Bybit wallet. You bind it using what we call API integration. So I'm not going to do a full presentation. I just want to take you to my dashboard and share with you what I'm doing. This AI-powered automated trading bot is called Crypto Flow Bot. Crypto Flow Bot, and it is out almost 4 months today as at the time I was recording this video. Listen, guys, you don't have to trust me, okay? You don't have to take my words for it. You will want to do your own due diligence first. But I think this is something that will interest almost everyone who is tired of scams, who have lost money to scam platforms. This is about you just get the app onto your phone. You can use your phone to access it. You can also use your computer. Right now, I've logged into my accounts with my computer or my laptop. What happens here is that we do API binding. Okay, you activate this bot. Its actual cost just 120 USD for a whole year. And currently, you can bind it with your Binance exchange or Bybit exchange. And don't worry, very, very soon, even a few days from today, more exchanges are going live. Mexi exchange is going live. We have Kraken exchange is also going live. Hyperliquid, even Bing X, okay? They are all going live in few days from today. Maybe by the time you are watching this video, it could happen that they are even live. So you simply bind through API, and this API, what it does is, that API stands for Application Programming Interface. It enables two applications to communicate with each other to share data and information. This bot, you enable what? Trading. It trades on futures, it trades on spots. And now they've even added what? It trades on commodities market. Let me take you there. This bot trades, but with your capital, but it cannot withdraw it, it cannot touch it. If you come down where you see that there are a couple of coins, let's get futures. There are a lot of coins that this bot is trading. Strong coins only, okay? Strong. Top 100 coins on coin market cap. with their history and then liquidity and how they behave. You see, automated crypto, this is what automated trade pairs that are available. Look at them here, and fully auto, yes. You just turn on a button and the bot takes over. These are top coins. It doesn't just trade any meme coins, crazy meme coins that pump 1,000% and dump 2,000%. If you come here, you also have what? Automated stock. You see, it's also trades in stocks and index. You can see them here. Tesla, Nvidia, Google, in fact, Microsoft, Meta, a whole lot of them, guys. These are what? Stocks and indexes. It's also what? It also trades them. Okay? It also trades them. And also you have what? Metals, commodities and metals. You can see them gold, a whole lot of, you see, these are all what? Commodities and also metals. It also trade. All these are automated, guys. You just have to give the bot permission to trade on this for you. Okay? You just have to give the bot permission to trade on this for you. So you transfer your funds, you activate the bots, then you do the API binding, then you transfer your funds to your Binance or Bybit. If it is futures you want, you transfer it there. And if it's spot, you transfer it there. You can trade on both futures and spot as well. I don't have anything on my spot because I trade on futures, because futures, there's leverage, is highly profitable. Though it's also highly risky, but we have an inbuilt feature that doesn't lead to liquidation, meaning you can never be liquidated on this bot. Okay. Now, if I turn off this button here, let me turn it off and show you something. You see, we have Go Auto Futures, meaning automated, automation. Or you can go here, you can switch to spot and then go auto spot. What this means is that you have your funds, let's say like less than $200 or $300. You simply just transfer it here and then you click on here, you turn this on, and the bot is going to take over everything. It's going to analyze the markets, it will choose the coins to trade, it will take in what? The dollar cost averaging, the sizing, they take profits and leaving the stop losses, everything. Okay? That's what this bot is going to do. Meaning you don't have to do anything. All you just do is just turn this button and the bot starts trading for you. If you also have, maybe if you have a $200 or more, you can come over here to what we call strategy. Then you simply select a strategy. You see that if you come here, I have strategy partitions that are open, $100, $200, all the way up to what? Up to $50,000 per strategy partition. Why is it telling you? It's telling you that if you select any of this, for example, if you select a $100 strategy, it means the bot is going to trade a maximum of $100 per coin. Okay? So if you have what? $300 and you divide it by 100, you're going to get 3 coins. Meaning it's going to trade 3 coins for you, but putting in a maximum of what? $100 per coin. And it's not going to just enter the whole $100. No, it will go to what we call dollar cost averaging. First, it's going to enter with 15%. In that case, I have what? You see, because I have 285, I'm trading with a little over $700, and most of it is already in trade. You see that this $100 partition is open, $200 is open because this my capital, they can be traded on this. But you see, all the others, they are locked because my capital is not enough to trade this. If you select a $200 strategy, it means you want the board to trade $200 maximum per coin. So if you have $1,000, I even suggest you still select the what? $100 strategy. Just click on it. First, it will enter with 15%. If the market goes against you, it will enter with another 15% of your capital here. If the market still goes against you, it's going to enter with another, then 30%. If it still goes against you, it enters with 40%. You see that it doesn't just put all your capital into trade at once. That is how one of the reasons why it's so powerful. And you see that there are several of them. So if you have $2,000, you want to choose the maybe $200 strategy. So that's 2,000 divided by 200. You can get what? 10 coins to trade for you by putting in a maximum of $200 per coin. You know, the more coins you trade, the more profitability. If some are even in floating losses, some can even be in floating profits. You're going to trade as many as maybe from 2 to 25 coins per strategy. And the bigger the capital in the strategy, the bigger the profit. Yes. And definitely, once you select the strategy, you just come down. You have nothing to do. Just come down to the page and turn this long button on. Turn this short, turn it on. Smart DCA, you turn it on. And then you come here and click on the bot and also turn the bot on. You can see all of them are now on. If I go back, you will see that If I refresh the page, you see that our custom mode running. Just some buttons to click, and you are done. This is not manual where you go and be doing a whole lot of crazy setups. Okay, so if you come here, you also see if you come to, you can then come to trades. If you come to trades, when it starts trading, you see here say open trades. These trades are in my Binance. Okay, they are showing here, but everything is in my Binance. Currently, I have 9 trades that are open. You see them in floating. They are pending. These are not losses. Okay, it has closed a couple of them. You see, they are pending. They will float into profit. Without floating or pending trades, you cannot make profit. Okay. If we come here to closed, you also see trades that have been closed. So can you see them here? All these trades have been closed. You can see closed, 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 closed. They were all pending before. You see, send auto because it's the bot that did everything. You can see the margin, the leverage is always different. Look at 3x, 4x, 3x, 4x, 3x. I didn't have to select any leverage. It's the bot that will select the leverage according to the coin, how it performs. So nothing else. This is just really totally automated. Okay, that is it. And then if you also come over, let me show you something here. So you can also actually check what the bot is doing for you. If you come to earnings, you will see here the total profit that has been realized from this trade. I'm trading with like right now, I think that's $750. And you see that's a total of 554 trades so far. It has closed 545 and it has with 465 of them and risk managed 57 of them. And you can see here the toughest day was $24. What I lost, that was those weeks when Bitcoin was dipping. Bitcoin dipped crazily. We recorded a lot of massive liquidations in the market. But no single account was actually liquidated here because the bot has got an inbuilt stop loss feature that will prevent all your capital from being wiped out in the event that market goes against you, which I think makes sense. So the maximum you can lose is just 3% to 15% of your capital in a particular trade in the event that the worst case happens. You can see the top performing coins, the profit they are fetched for me. Okay, this is it. You have been making this a profit. Yes, the bot does it make loss? Yes, it makes loss. That's real trading. The only situation you make a loss is when the trade hits what? A stop loss. It hits it and it closes the trade. Instead of you losing 100% of your capital, you lose what? You lose 10% to 3% to 15%, which is cool. That's capital protection. You can see that all the profit, and it doesn't guarantee a daily profit. Everything depends on the market. You can see one day you make a loss, and several days you make a lot of profits. You make what? Win. You can see, okay? That is insane, guys. This is making around anywhere from 10% to 30% profit per month. This is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. This bot is not perfect at the moment. Remember, I told you it's just now 4 months old since it's launched. It was launched somewhere in March 2026. They started as a signals providing platform somewhere in 2025. Our grand upline, who is a V6 now, he was with them when they were providing signals, and they're always trading with the signals, and they're winning over 80% win rate. And since from September 2025, he was with them. They were paying $295 per year for the subscription. Later they created this bot and transitioned into the bot. It's now what? 120 USD for a year. So 120 USD for a whole year for a bot to be trading for you 24/7. You can trade with it with your $50. You can trade with it with your $10 million. No extra charges, guys. When it trades, the whatever profit it makes, you keep 80% and the bot keeps 20%. Right now you can see I have $284 showing here in my futures. It's because the remaining amount is all in trades. I've already shown you the running trades. And you can even click each pair, and trading view will open for it. So guys, those of you in the US, Canada, and other places, soon, few days time, Kraken Exchange will be live, Mexi will be live, okay, BingX will be live, so you can participate. So check in the comment section and join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram group, and reach out to me on Telegram. I am mostly active on Telegram because WhatsApp has been blocking my numbers. So Telegram, check in the description or check in the comment section. You reach out to me on Telegram. And let me guide you if you want to get started with it. So not a get rich quick scheme. It is not perfect. They are still fine tuning it. We are reporting challenges and they are fixing everything. Thank you so much.